corrected. I think last time we stopped at number 14.
Last time, yes, number 14.
And what is the answer of 14?
I remember it was B.
Was B wrong? Let me help you.
Okay.
Yeah, last time we discussed about the point that the test maker will give it every time. It's about feeling. He says the speaker describes feeling, but contradictory feeling. So be careful, it's about positive and negative feelings. Letter B, if you read, he focused on the positive only. Look,
Yeah.
but where is the negative? But here he mentioned the look, motion, hopped, and played. And he said we have pleasure. Okay, but is this positive only?
Yeah.
Look for letter D. I reclined relaxed. A sweet mood, pleasant thoughts, and at the same time, sad thoughts. Means it's a contradictory or conflicting. That's why.
Yeah.
Number 15, what's yours?
Number 15, it was A.
15A? No, my dear. Let's try together. He said complete, so you should focus on the last sentence. Let's read it together.
Okay. But sir, it says the rating. Um. First, the conclusion, it talks about the rating after 21 days, and
Yeah, look.
the choice A, it didn't. It wasn't like false because it did range from 5 to 92.
Let's see. The team used various measures to evaluate participants, with higher ratings indicating greater well-being. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So compared to the mean ratings after 20 days in the control group, what is the controlling group?
And the control group, it's supposed to be C then.
But wait. So when we compare the mean ratings for participants who were aware of taking a placement. So that means here they are aware. So your answer must be here.
Yeah.
So we need to complete this part. So we need information to mention this part. Is it A? Rating from 5.2 from 5 to yes, but indicating that well-being varied widely from participant to participant. So it is varied. So that is a trouble. So it's not. It does not vary.
Yeah.
Let's wait. We're lower for two measures with the rating for only one measure indicating greater. Yes, like this one, and it's bigger. So be correct. But wait, ranged from 3.9 to 46. That's this one for the control, and we need for aware. So this means here C, it's clear, it's wrong.
Yeah.
How about letter D? We're higher for all three measures. You see?
Yeah.
Is it higher for all the three measures? Yes. Higher for that, higher for that, higher for that. So now it's clear. Indicating great overall look, higher ratings, including greater well-being. So we need something to prove the preface. So greater overall well-being for these participants. So letter D, it's a comprehensive answer. Comprehensive answer for the points mentioned before. That is the point. In this question, we have a big trap. What's it? We have 3 answers mentioned in the table. But let's try. So here he said word lower. So the mean rate is for aware word lower. So we're lower for 2 measures. Lower for 2 measures, but it's not lower. Why? Because 5, 3 point, so it's not lower. That means the first half of the answer is wrong. And this is one we make it's like wrong because we're talking about the where only. The problem that
Yeah.
letter is correct. It's ranged from 5 to, yes, 5 to, from the small to the bigger. But the problem with the completing, in the preface he said the team used various to evaluate participants. And then with higher ratings indicating greater well-being in each measure, not only in one measure. Here he mentioned were higher for all the 3 measures. This means the letter D is more comprehensive than A. Because here he mentioned only 2.
Yeah.
But that means your letter D is more answer. Why not? But remember this trap because it will be.
Okay.
Number 16.
Number 16, it's B.
Correct. '17.
17 is A.
Letter A is correct. Number 18, take your time. Oh. Number 18. Yeah, number 18, what do you think?
Sir, can you hear me?
No, yes. What is 18?
18, wait, is 17 correct?
17, we did it. Letter A.
Yeah. Okay,
Number
18 is D.
18, letter D, correct. Perfect. Number 20. 19.
Number 19, C.
19C, good target. Number 20.
Number 20, it shows A.
Letter A, good hunt. 21.
21, is it C?
21, no, my dear friend. It is the same question. Remember, we have something called past participle phrase. For example, this is additional information. What does it describe? Describe the tapestries, textile, artist, or describe when, or describe this person. So woven from recycled, what's it? The artist? How? So it must be letter A. So we test you for that. If we wanted to add information before you start your sentence, like that. Here you start your sentence from here. This is additional information. You must define the subject. So imagine it like that. Information, phrases, comma, subject, verb, complement, correct. Subject, verb, complement. This information can describe the subject or can describe the verb. Here it describes the subject. That's the problem. Did you catch it?
Yeah.
So it's letter A. Number, what next?
And then number 22.
22 is
It's A. I mean B. Sorry, B.
B, wrong.
B.
B, wrong. It must be letter C. Let's follow the rules. If you found the semicolon check is before complete sentence, look like that. Complete sentence, semicolon, complete sentence, correct. Now we need to check. Is this part a sentence or fragment? Sentence.
It's a
It's that.
sentence.
But how the sentence is structured? The subject, comma, clause, comma, and then you find the verb, and then complements to complete the meaning. Here's the same subject, clause, verb. So it's a sentence already. So we have two sentences. If you join the two sentences by comma only like that, comma splice mistake. If you keep it run on without any punctuation like that, of course wrong. If you keep it and you need comma because complete sentence, comma fanboys, complete sentence full stop correct, but here no comma. So all of this very easy to memorize, but the problem how to know it's a sentence or not. How to know? You must find the subject and the verb and the complements. Next time we'll study this trap. It's so easy. Delete the phrases, delete the relative clauses, delete the non-essential information. You will find the subject and verb very equal. That's the point. But
Yeah.
later we'll study this chapter next time. Number 23.
Number 23. It's B.
So it's B, correct.
Okay. 24. It's A.
24, it's A, correct.
Alhamdulillah. 25 is D.
Correct.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
Okay. 26 is B.
B, you did it. Told you are king.
I didn't expect it to be correct. Okay. 27. It's D.
Yes.
Okay. 28. It's A.
Yes.
Really?
Of course.
29. It's B.
29B, correct.
No way, sir. Are you joking?
Yeah, I told you the file I sent you could help and your knowledge.
Okay. 30 is A.
30A, wrong.
Oh my God. I broke my streak.
Yeah, because he asked here for similarity. So find similarity, not dissimilarity. Look, similarity both. So both it tells you we have similarity because both of them. And he mentioned the names. So both that and that transmit. So both of them have the same action. Letter C is correct. Here we give you
Letters.
expression in the text. All of them in the text already. But the problem, the
Yeah.
question, what does it mean? Number 31.
Okay. Number 31. It's B.
Why not to be D? The question, contrast, opposite. We need something to say there is difference between them. Look, while as a conjunction used to show contrast. And he mentioned, hey, look, different numbers. So contrast IDs. Catch it?
Yeah, catch it.
Letter D. 32 is
C.
32C, wrong. It's letter B. Look again, he asked you for a specific target only. We need information about the sample collected from. So you give information correct, not a question. So focus also on the question itself. This part.
Okay.
Here the same again. 33, it is letter
C.
C, correct.
Alhamdulillah.
Here he mentioned the 2 points. wanted to indicate which category most. So we need this information only. Which category you mentioned it here? Classified as confidential. Right. Now that is the end of this small test. I send you a new test on the group.
Okay. Yeah, I see. I saw it.
You can download it and we can answer some together.
Sir?
Yeah, your connection is goes back and on.
No, it's not my connection. It's a phone.
Right, now let's try together. Can I read
Okay.
first?
Okay. B, speculates.
And what means speculates?
To make a statement.
To make a statement, all right, but you make a statement based on guessing. As he said, this. So when you find this, that, this, those, take care of the noun after. That means this action was just like only guessing, not proved. Established means proved. But we have a problem. Demand, okay, wrong, I know. But the problem, why not say?
Doubt?
But we don't have any information that she showed doubt, though. She doesn't believe it. He said
Yeah.
here she has no definite idea about something. This means she is not sure. And that's best for speculation. It's a common word in Greek. Number two, let's try.
Sir, can you repeat the definition of speculation?
Speculation is to guess an idea not based on facts or evidence.
Oh, okay.
And the speculates already means a conjecture, is to guess based on feeling, guessing, not facts or evidence.
Yeah, okay. Sir, C?
Number two, it's C, correct, but we need evidence.
Yeah, okay.
He said
So,
this refers to something before. It is the same, this effort. So this is effort, but
yeah.
describe the effort. Is it offhand? He didn't do it. The following said he did it already, so not offhand. Mandatory means he was forced to do. There is no information that he was forced by law or by people, organizations, or he was not commissioned by law. Already he said legislator, okay, but that does not means he was forced. And he did something not related to law, by the way. This means he was not forced. And the impartial, I'm not talking about he preferred something or he preferred something to something else. So no,
Yeah.
later see. If you want to have evidence, persistent means to continuously work on something until you achieve it.
Sir, I have a question.
Come on.
Okay, what if like sometimes I found a question and that yeah, يعني, like I found like two answers that are close to the like to the close to the real answer.
That means perhaps there is simple difference in tone, in text, but follows the way of description. The way of description like that. You need adjective to describe this noun. All of these adjectives, what does it describe this noun? What is mentioned about the effort? By law? Do you have any information he was forced? No. Do you have information that he loved it or not? To be partial? He didn't mention that he preferred something to something else.
Yeah.
Offhand, this means he didn't do it. It was difficult for him. He didn't achieve it. He did it. He said he did, right? Right?
Yeah.
So always find evidence. And what can help you? This and the semicolon. Semicolon means this information closely related to the preface. Intertone. Positive, positive, negative, negative. Semicolon. As you see. That's why. The same trap in number 3. Look, this model. So model means information. But I found the verbs. Find the subject and object. Let's read. Who was following the patients? Institutions are equal partners. So the next sentence supported collaboration between and the collaboration subject. How does the collaboration do to this model? I don't know. We have calling to explain what happened.
Circumvents.
Work together, continue. So how they avoid it? Circumvent, circum means to circle around something. If you circle around something, you are going to avoid it. You don't like to do it. You want to escape from it. But how? They did work together. They continued. It's opposite. Eclipse, it's from the science language. If you clip something, you wanted to cover it, to show dark on it, to overshadow. It means you wouldn't like to hide it. You secret, for example, or to make it not clear. But how? He said they work together and he said they are equal partners. Opposite. Fabricate, it's a common word in Arabic, fabrication. To make something falsified does not make sense. Feel it? And
Yeah.
they were not the deceivers. So there was no deception or treating in a bad way. So this is wrong. Exemplify, it means to show me example to prove that something happened. This is model. What proves it that nations and the researchers help together? How? We have examples. They work together. Oh. So this means example to prove. So the test maker give you 3 answers opposite to the tone of the text. Positive, positive. So you need positive. That's
Yeah, I came back.
now do you understand the 3?
Yeah.
Number 4, have your time.
It should be B, hibernation.
It should be letter B, but we have a trap. He said this again. Look, this means your answer is here. So what explained here? Sin. Yeah, do you remember the Latin root? You must memorize them. Sin together. Quran happened at the same time. Look, something happened at the same time. So this plant increases its reproductive success by flowering at the same time as it has to action happen at the same time. So we're not talking about hibernation here or there. There is no something about prediction. He said already. Feel it?
Yeah.
And of course, we're not talking about moderate or average or something else. That's all, my dear.
Yeah.
Yeah, moderation of just like to make something less intense, less extreme. If you are going to moderate something, you make it less painful, less intense, less extreme. See? And it does not make sense here at all. That's why.
Okay.
Now, number 5, have the time.
Okay. B, straightforward.
Letter B, it's correct, but wait, we have a trap. The word elect gives you its negative feeling. But wait, let's study the action. It said given that the conditions should make the formation nearly impossible. So why it's nearly impossible? Because we don't have any explanation about it. And why not to be A? We are not talking about making distinction or make difference or notes between something. I'm not talking about it lacks a distinctive or special explanation to have A. In an inconclusive, it means we don't have explanation. We didn't reach it. Okay, but so the next one mentioned that they did it. They used modeling to determine a complex. How it's inconclusive? Do you know this word? Unbiased?
Unbiased, it means like it's not like it, um and it's not from one side but from both sides.
Try to make it easier for you. Bias means a personal. So when you give me personal opinion, you make it for yourself. You make it for your feelings. I don't need your feelings. I need objective facts.
Yeah.
But that means here I'm not talking about it's a personal explanation for these people, but based on facts here.
Yeah.
It is the same word of impartial. You know impartial?
Impartial, it means yeah.
Yes, impartial. It's the same word of the last question. You see, the last test, yes, impartial. This one.
Yeah.
It means just like here, but partial, it's from your part, your personal opinion only. But we are not talking about it's preferred by someone or not. We don't have clear here, it's clear explanation to it because the formation condition makes it impossible. So your answer already here. That's why. So be careful about the negative for the negative. So that's why. How about number 6?
Okay. By the way, sir, how much marks should I get in the English section if I want to get, like, for example, above 1,300?
How about time? It depends on your hard working. So
Yeah.
it means we need to answer 100 questions every day.
Okay. But how much questions should I like make mistakes and maximum?
It depends on the question. In the SAT, we have something called adaptive test. For example, this question, it's a medium. If you answer it wrong, the system will detect that you are in medium. It will give you a medium question. A medium question, low score. So at the end, you collect low scores. So your score will be low. So it's about task. If I give you easy task, means you are strong. I give you hard task. If you do it, you'll get high score. That's why
Okay.
you be careful about the easy questions.
Okay.